Supreme Court decisions on abortion rights. How did this become a problem in the United States? Abortion wasn't always a polarizing issue in the United States. In the early 19th century, abortions before quickening were largely unregulated. However, shifting societal norms and medical advancements in the late 1800s led to stricter laws, prioritizing fetal life and professionalizing medicine. The criminalization of abortion surged in the 20th century as states enacted laws under the pretext of protecting women from unsafe procedures. These early restrictions laid the foundation for a contentious legal battle that would follow in the decades to come. The Supreme Court's 1973 decision in Roe v. Wade marked a turning point, establishing a constitutional right to abortion under the 14th Amendment. This ruling balanced a woman's right to privacy with state interests in regulating abortion after fetal viability. However, Roe also ignited intense backlash. Religious, political, and cultural groups mobilized, claiming the decision overstepped judicial power and disregarded moral principles. The case became a flashpoint for broader debates about constitutional interpretation and judicial activism. In the years following Roe, numerous Supreme Court cases gradually chipped away at its protections. Decisions like Planned Parenthood v. Casey, 1992, upheld Roe while allowing states to impose restrictions, such as waiting periods and parental consent laws, as long as they did not pose an undue burden. These incremental rollbacks reflected a deeply divided court and paved the way for stronger state-level restrictions. The stage was set for more direct challenges to Roe, as abortion opponents strategically passed increasingly restrictive laws to invite judicial review. The 2022 Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization decision overturned Roe, sending abortion regulation back to individual states. For some, this restored democratic decision-making. For others, it dismantled decades of precedent, leaving millions of women without access to reproductive health care. The Dobbs ruling sharply divided the nation, spotlighting disparities in access and raising questions about the legal principle of stare decisis. The decision underscored how deeply intertwined abortion rights are with broader issues of federalism and individual liberties. The debate on abortion rights challenges the intersection of law, morality, and society. Share your perspective and engage in meaningful dialogue on how courts balance constitutional rights with evolving cultural values. Subscribe and join us as we analyze crucial legal topics shaping America's future. Together, our voices can inform public discourse.